Welcome friends, today we will be preparing my favorite dish, vegetable biryani. Add a spoon of ghee and 4 spoons of oil. Let's add the whole spices, cinnamon stick, bay leaves, star anise, cardamom and cloves. Add green chilies, sliced onion and saute well. Add salt and saute well. Add tomatoes and saute well. Add ginger garlic paste. Like, comment and subscribe to our channel. Add turmeric powder. Add a handful of mint leaves. Add potatoes cut into cubes. Add beans and give it a good mix. Add lemon juice and curd. Let's add the carrot and soya chunks. Vegetables are added as per the cooking time. Let's add garam masala powder and homemade masala powder. Add boiling water so that the cooking temperature of ingredients do not change. Bring it to a boil and add the soaked rice. Cover the lid and cook for 2 whistles. Tasty and delicious vegetable biryani is ready. Like, comment and subscribe to our channel.